Hello friends, I am Aditya Shivaji Bhavne. We will discuss today introduction to turbo machines. In this, the definition of turbo machines, history of turbo machines, then types of turbo machines, and then classification. Let us study one by one. First is nothing but turbo machinery is nothing but a mechanical device which are machines that transfers energy between a rotor and fluid, including both turbines and compressor. So in turbo machinery, both turbines and compressors are being included. What turbine does transfers the energy from fluid to rotor, and a compressor does reverse to that. That is transfer of energy from rotor to fluid. Definition of turbo machines: it is a device in which energy transfer occurs between a flowing fluid and rotating element due to dynamic action. So which means whenever fluid strikes on a shaft is being moved and the electricity is being produced, or vice versa for compressor. So this results in change of pressure and momentum of the fluid. So if you see this, there are various types of turbines have been there. This is Francis turbine, this is fixed pitch propeller turbine, turbo turbine, Pelton turbine, Kaplan turbine, and cross flow turbine. So Francis turbines are being used for medium head purpose. Fixed pitch propeller types are being used in wind case, wind turbine. Turbo turbine are not used nowadays generally. Pelton turbines are being used. Kaplan turbine is being for low head, and cross flow are being used in tidal energy purpose. Now this is centrifugal compressor, axial compressor. You can see that low pressure compressor and high pressure compressor. Now history of turbo machines, how it has been there in up to the 1800. There were no turbo machines been developed. In the first patent for gas turbine were filed by John Barber in 1791. Later on, in 1849, a British American engineer, James Francis, developed the first modern water turbine. So, today also we mostly use Francis turbine, which is developed by James Francis. In 1870, American inventor Lester Allen Pelton developed the Pelton turbine, an impulse water turbine, which he patented in 1880. Now, in earlier days, Pelton turbine gives the highest efficiency as compared to other turbines. Now, also in a few cases for high head, Pelton turbine has maximum efficiency as compared to other turbines. Later on, in 1930s, gas turbines are been appeared, and lastly, the Kaplan turbine, or I can say propeller turbine with adjustable blade, was developed by Victor Kaplan in 1913. So next is types of turbo machines. There are two types of mainly turbo machines, that are nothing but power generating turbo machines and power absorbing. In the first case, power generating turbo machines, if the fluid transfers the energy from the rotation of the impeller fixed on the shaft, it is known as power generating turbo machines. So if the fluid is transferring its motion or force to the shaft, then it is said to be as power generating turbo machines. In reverse case, if the turbo machines or machines transfers the energy in the form of angular momentum fit to the fluid from the rotating impeller fixed on the shaft, it is known as power absorbing turbo machines. Whenever the due to the rotation of shaft, that rotation of shaft power is being imparted to the fluid by the use of impeller, it is known as power absorbing machines, like as compressor. In classification of turbo machines, there are five classification mainly, in which first one is based on the energy transfer. And in that again two classifications are been there. Energy is given by fluid to rotor, means energy transfer from fluid to rotor, those are power generating turbo machines such as turbines. And whenever the fluid is been transferred from, or energy transferred from rotor to fluid, that is power absorbing turbo machines, those are pumps, blowers and compressors. And second classification based on the fluid flowing in turbo machines, so water, air, steam. So water I can say hydraulic turbines, air axial turbines, steam turbines, again in that case impulse and reaction, hot gases, then liquid like petrols, etc. That is in that case we can use centrifugal pumps or compressors. Now next classification is based on the direction of flow through impeller or vanes or blades. So these are same names, impeller, vanes or blades, with reference to the axis of shaft rotation. Now depending upon the rotation of shaft position, these are classified. So axial flow compressors or turbines, in which the direction of flow of water or air through the shaft, or I can say impeller, is axial in flow. So those are axial turbines or compressor. So in case of this is Kaplan turbine. Basically if you see this, the water coming from this side to and moving downward. So turbine or water inlet and exit to this is axial way. So this is axial turbine. Next is mixed flow. In mixed flow, water enters radially and leaves axially. Now if you see this, water enters radially and moves axially. So this is mixed flow type of turbine, that is Francis turbine. Next is radial flow or centrifugal pump or compressor. So centrifugal pump or compressor, in this case if you see, water moves radially at inlet and moves out radially. So centrifugal compressor, radial flow. So next one is tangential flow or Pelton turbine. So in the case of Pelton turbine, the impact of jet is been given to the buckets which will move the turbine, in which the flow of water jet is tangential to that of wheel. So this is tangential to that of this wheel. Next classification is based upon the condition of fluid in turbo machine. So depending upon the fluid condition, these are two types, impulse and reaction type. In impulse type, there is a constant pressure, that is Pelton turbine. In last slide I explained, Pelton turbine is nothing but which will operate under a natural condition or atmospheric condition. There is no pressure variation. Whereas in case of reaction turbine, this is second one, Francis turbine. In Francis turbine, the flow occurs in a closed conduit, due to which pressure variations are been there. Now fifth classification, last one, based upon the position of rotating shaft. In that case, first one is horizontal shaft, steam turbine. Second one is vertical shaft, that is Kaplan turbine. And third one, inclined shaft, which will be used in modern bulb hydro turbine, micro hydro turbine. So this is what we learned today. What is turbo machines, history of turbo machines, then classification of turbo machines. Okay, thank you.